Hey everyone, so I wanted to make this quick candid video before I head out. I'm about to run some errands, but I just got a comment on my Instagram from my follower, and she wanted to know how do I wash the Carnival bras. There's a special way to do it, so you got to be very, very careful when taking care of these bras. It's just like hair or like makeup, like a new makeup palette. It's like artwork, so you want to take care of it. I would say to air dry it and to hand wash it. Or going to your local dry cleaners. I'm not sure if they do it there, but I think they might. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it in the washing machine because I know some people don't like to hand wash. I'm going to make sure everything is sanitary. I am at my washing machine and I'm about to wash my Carnival bra so that you guys can see how it turns out. I was getting a lot of questions about that, I guess for like sanitary reasons and, you know, stuff like that. But okay, so I'm going to put it in now. So I'm just going to tell you guys my settings on the washing machine. So I put the load size on small. I put the temperature on cold. And I'm going to be washing it on delicates. Alright, so now the water is in there. Now I'm going to add my detergent. And I'm just using, I don't think you need too much. I mean, because it is like by itself and it is a small bra. So I just poured like half a capful. Okay, so right off the bat, what I can see is that the bra is shiny. Oh, it's very shiny now. Let's take a look at it. So as you can see, the crystals are still on there. Everything still looks good. Let me see. Yeah, everything still looks good. Look at this is still on. That hasn't fallen off. That's still on there. And yeah, you guys. So I guess it worked out. And I don't think I'm gonna put it in the washing machine. I'm probably just gonna leave it to air dry. Oh, let's check out the back of this.